Hello, my name is Dolores Porter. In honor of Women's History Month, I present Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 as law. A Title VII case of employment discrimination against the Social Security Administration. Equal rights under law? Not if you see the things that I saw. In the federal courts, I've done my best. I put Title VII laws to the test. The laws were ignored and unrevealed. In other words, the courts repealed. Surely the federal government has a lot of nerve. How soon they forget that I have served. A person of character, a person of pride, born and raised on Chicago's South Side. Now this time we all shall see that justice is for you, but also for me. So let me tell you right away, Title VII laws are here to stay. Whatever unjust system you choose to use, this fight's not over until you lose. Our justice system is really whack. Perjury transposed to evidence of fact. Our justice system will make you shout. I found perjury and tort, but not reasonable doubt. Injustice prevailed without a flaw. Anyone saying equal justice under law? Policy states training must be completed, yet every black woman got defeated. I must continue in keeping it real. I must address U.S. Court of Appeals. A response brief is required by the court, yet SSA produced nothing of the sort. Contempt of court or obstruction of justice, the court awarded them summary judgment. It's only fair that I should mention the courts had granted them 2 extensions. If 3 appellate court judges can't see perjury when written in a federal court's ruling, then more than I need legal schooling. Appeal to U.S. Supreme Court I now must do. Systemic racism to me called equal rights by you. U.S. Supreme Court I must use due to the federal laws that you abuse. Yes, this is truly about my race. No response brief required to defeat a Title VII discrimination case. Systemic racism it is for what it's worth. My appellate brief due on President Obama's date of birth. Equal justice can't happen, you see. I'm a black woman with a graduate degree. Poor performance, inability to learn, that's what they said about me. Now you know the reason why. When they go low, we go high. There's 2 ways in which to see. Coincidence to you, systemic racism to me. Our justice system is just not right. This systemic journey turns to a 4-year fight. I don't identify as being brilliant, but I am Army certified master resilient. I stamped in Supreme Court with the stamina of a rocket. The next systemic game, I bet you can't dock it. If systemic racism won't let me in, how the heck can I possibly win? Let it be stated, let it be told, federal judges have dishonored the road. Bad behavior is what I see. Looks like a case under Article 3. A judge with honor, a sense of duty. Not until I find Judge Judy. No more proper protocol holding me back. I'm retired U.S. Army, and that is a fact. Over 20 years of active duty and working while black. I've long been under systemic attack. To really set off this systemic drama, my presidential letter from President Obama. This systemic journey they will not win. Their actions are not only an injustice, their dishonor is a political sin. Truly an honor to meet the justices of the Most High Court, but as a pro se litigant, I choose nothing of the sort. Black woman with no attorney is already revealed. Systemic laws are not yet repealed. Walk in the U.S. Supreme Court with no attorney, if you will. The court's record is all that needs to be revealed. For justice and equality, I should not have to fight. America's so far from justice, they don't see equal rights. They stole from me the things I've earned, pushing a lie, inability to learn. If you're looking for justice under Title VII, you have a better chance of trying to walk to heaven. Yes, I do deserve to win, but not at the cost of going in. Now it's time to end this journey. I'm a retired Army soldier, not a doggone attorney. Surely the federal government has a lot of nerve. After 31 years, 8 months, and 24 days I served. If you want to see a disgraceful nation, possess a President Obama letter of appreciation. Question from the 9 honorable justices I really can't do. I can answer their questions no more than you. Now let me shed a little light. Your system of justice is not equal rights. America can never find evidence of discrimination in this systemically divided U.S. nation. If systemic racism is what you do, reparations will open federal jobs too. Docket U.S. Appellate Court Case 21-2185 and let the U.S. Supreme Court decide. As an African American female, I wanted the U.S. Supreme Court to take a look. I had to publish my writ of certiorari in an Amazon book. It is titled Equal Justice Under Law for African Americans, a Title VII Case of Discrimination by Dolores Porter. In my book, I Just Couldn't Resist, read for yourself the government's request to admit, if we are truly of one nation, why won't the federal courts acknowledge discrimination? Let me be me and let you be you. Don't fight with Army soldiers, because this is what we do. I believe in equal justice, and I really don't care about you. If you want to start a serious fight, roll up and snatch this sister's equal rights. Don't snap my writ of cert 3 times and not let me in. I told you, U.S. Army, and I came here to win. America is a democracy. I know. I serve. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 is law. This is my peaceful march to justice. I am Dolores Porter. All glory to God, and God bless America.